embark on spiritual enriching 8 days journey, thoughtfully designed for Muslim travelers. Begin in Kunming with a warm welcome and halal dining. Explore the spectacular stone forest and visit the historical Shunchen and Nanchen mosques. Fly to Dali by high-speed train and discover ancient charmed at Santorin, Lake, and Dali Old Town. In Lijiang, behold the majestic Jet Dragon Snow Mountain and the traditional Baisha Old Town. Journey to scary Shangri-La for the breathtaking Tiger Leaping Gorge, prayer-filled Zone Old Town, and the pristine Pagodas Park. Enjoying comfortable 3-star accommodations and halal-certified meals throughout, with dedicated guides, prayer agreements, and a respectful visit to Islamic site. This tour beautifully blends faith, culture, and nature. Experience Yunnan's warmth, beauty, and spiritual serenity, a journey and honor your faith and inspires wonder.